No, I didn't.
Like they were there. Like I thought they were like coming up.
Oh, really? Well, whatever. All I know is they walked away. Hey, that's funny. I didn't even know. I noticed two people, but I didn't know. I saw them in front of the car, but I go to a little UV. Stop! 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 What's going on? What are we doing?
Ah!
What are we doing?
We're going somewhere.
No, come on. What are we doing? On a larger scale, not a quantum scale. Go.
We're going to get sandwiches.
No, on a larger scale. What are we doing after that?
We're going to Portland.
We're going where? We're going. How about this? Like, we're going home.
We're going to
Go. What's today?
August 4th.
She definitely knows because she's obsessed with the date. Yeah, you are. Because she needs to get her visa, which is valid, you know, she does. But the point is, I'm getting the train in the background with you. It's like I'll take the first right. Okay. Sorry. That's where it is. Okay, it's to. Keep going, just keep going nice and then the park, because I'm getting a nice shot here. Keep going, it's alright. Now all I have to do is find a Pontiac. That's a joke. You guys have no sense of humor.
Wait, what's the rest of the song?
Alright, go. You can
What's the
go park. I don't know. Well, I'll park. You guys get out. I'll park. Go up that way. Yeah, go up that way. Take a right. Right. Hard right. Good. You're doing it.
Alright, guys.
Keep going. I'll do it. You get out. I'll park. You get out. Everyone get out.
Yeah, I can get out.
No.
I know it's alright. I'll do it. Go. It's right next to the gift shop. Okay.